Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say bird, as in a bird, the animal, in French. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced French vocabulary, useful brand names, etc. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say bird in French then? How do you pronounce this word? Oiseau. Oiseau. So the letters O and I together in French form the sound wa, wa, which is ou, a, wa. And then the S here, because it's a single S, is pronounced more like a Z with the Z sound, not a S sound, not an S sound. And then EAU together form the sound O in French, just like the letter O itself, by itself. So, oiseau. Oiseau is how you pronounce this word, how you say bird in French, oiseau. And now you know. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments and by using the like button if it was. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French stuff. Names, interesting names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Many butcher them. You won't after watching those. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.